It's great to use a wok for stir fry. Its unique shape allows for high heat cooking with minimal oil. The rounded bottom and sloping sides distributes heat more evenly than flat pans, which helps to quickly sear ingredients while retaining their texture and flavor. Cooking tips. This recipe uses prepackaged coleslaw mix. It saves time on washing, peeling, and chopping, making meal preparation quicker and easier. These mixes often ensure uniform cook sizes, leading to even cooking and a consistent texture in your dish. Oyster sauce adds a rich, savory, umami taste. Its thick consistency helps to coat the ingredients, making the stir-fry more luscious and glossy. Oyster sauce provides a balanced sweet and salty flavor, reducing the need for additional seasoning. It pairs well with various proteins such as chicken, beef, and tofu. Try this Asian cuisine, healthy eating, stir-fry, easy recipe.